Today we are going to revise the formats of writing skills. So switching on towards the board, let us start. That is first of all, application writing. Okay, so for application writing, what we write down at the starting, speak out side by side. What we write down at the starting? Yes. Date. Or write down the principal. Yes, ma'am. Name of the school. Ma'am, city. Yes, then city. Ma'am, then date. Leave line. Yes. Then date. Correct format of date, you know, that is 13 May 2021. Then afterwards, subject.
Subject.
Okay, that it is complaint about, or if it is a request to, whatever it is, you will write down according to the question, that what question is asked to you. Then afterwards, respected ma'am.
Respected madam. Respected ma'am.
Yes. So what you will write down, how you will start at starting para 1, which is your introductory para. How you start in case of application?
I wish to state
With humble
that
regards, I want
Yes,
to
with humble
claim
regards.
I wish to state that
With humble regards, I,
I want to
student of dash class, want to,
draw attention towards
or okay, I want to not draw attention. We won't say here draw attention. We want to
we will tell the
complain
reason.
about so and so, or we want to
about
request you to provide us the facility of suppose you can say an extra period for English grammar. So in this manner you will write down. Okay, so
I
whatever
will write the
that is.
reason.
Yes, then afterwards, detail of the problem or detail of reason of request. So why you are making this request, you will here write down the various details. Then afterwards,
Concluding para.
yes, that is the last para. That is the concluding para. In concluding para, what you will write down?
So I request
I
you, I shall be greatly thankful to you for your
I
kindness.
shall be grateful. I shall be highly or greatly thankful to you if you will provide us, okay, or if you will,
For your kind act.
okay, for your kind act, okay. So in this manner, and at the end, yours
Yours truly or sincerely.
yours sincerely only,
Yours
not
sincerely. Yours
yours
truly.
sincerely.
Ma'am, name.
And then your
Ma'am,
name. When
name.
you are writing an
Name.
application, just remember that you are always writing yours sincerely. Okay, you have to write down yours
Yes, ma'am.
sincerely. Okay, right? So this is an application format, complete format of application writing. Suppose I request here that your final exams are approaching and you want some extra period in English grammar, then how you will write down? Then writing the format, then what will be the subject? It will be, what will be the subject?
Requesting to increase the English period.
Or
Increase
Question that.
request to
requesting
provide
to
an extra English grammar periods. Okay, English grammar periods. Then respected ma'am, with humble regards, I, student of dash class 7, want to request you to provide extra English grammar periods for the preparation of our exams or extra English period as our exams are approaching and we need to prepare our English grammar for which we are not feeling so confident. Okay, that you are not feeling so confident. Then detail of the problem. Why you want extra period, then mention, give ideas for detail of the problem.
Ma'am, because
so that our
English is
English grammar may
ma'am,
improve.
our vocabulary is weak.
Okay.
Vocabulary
And many
because of
students in our class, okay, then you will mention
Are
many
facing
students in
problem.
our class are facing number of problems in the topic of tenses, preposition, determiners, as because this year number of holidays, number of you can say holidays, there are less periods being you can say less periods were given for our grammar practice, and all the students are not feeling so confident about grammar. Okay, and as the final exams are approaching, so we feel that we won't be able to score
Good marks.
good marks.
good
So I request to provide an extra or 0 period in the morning assembly for the practice of grammar, so that we can make our concepts clear. Okay, and we can have extra practice of grammar during that time, as grammar is of great, you can say, as grammar is an important part of English subject, and even it will help us to enhance our vocabulary. Okay, enhance our vocabulary. And as after 7th class we will be going to our 8th class, so we need to make our concepts clear at the former stage. Former means when we are talking about two things, suppose first and the second, the first one will be called as former and the after one will be called as latter one, LATTER. Okay, so we want to clear our concepts at the former stage. I hope that you will understand our problem and conclude the para. I shall be greatly thankful to you if you will for your kind act, or if you will provide an extra grammar period to us. Okay,
What is the
then
meaning
yours.
of letter?
Hmm?
Ma'am, letter.
Which letter?
Ma'am, you have written former and letter.
Application writing. I have written at the top.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Inside you have written former.
Former and latter. When we are talking about two things, okay, the first one, earlier one, and now at the present one. Okay, the earlier one is called as former. Okay, the other one is called as latter. This I am otherwise telling you. Okay, LATTER. Right? So I hope that format of this application writing is clear to you. Right? Next, afterwards, we are going towards writing towards diary entry. Next two is about diary entry. Okay, so diary entry. What we are going to express in diary entry, we are going to express our emotions, feelings. So first of all, day and date, then write down time, and then dear diary.
Dear diary.
Okay, how you will start? Start with an expression. You will start with an expression. For example, what a wonderful day it is.
Ma'am,
What
happy. Ma'am,
how happy I was.
How
What a
happy the
wonderful
day was.
Okay,
How happy I was.
how wonderful the day it was. So in this manner, you will start with an expression, and then afterwards you will write down detail of your feelings. Detail of your feelings you will write down. It means that how you felt, what you felt, and why you felt. You will completely explain about these. Okay, how you felt, what you felt, and why you felt. Later on, it should not be too long. Use different kind of sentences, short and long sentences, simple sentences, complex sentences. You can use various kind of conjunctions in between. And afterwards, then conclude your diary. How you will write down concluding?
Ma'am, Ma'am, now I am feeling sleepy. My mom is calling me. Bye.
Right, my mom is calling me by, and then at the end your name must be written. Okay, so at the end what is there, that your name should be written. So understood to you all? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next afterwards we have to do the format of notice writing. Yes, for notice writing be particular. Notice. So first of all, for notice, what we have to do, first of all, we have to draw a box.
Box.
Right? For box, first of all, here, name of the
Organization.
organization or institution. It is in capital letters. Okay? Capital letters, and then here city. Underline it, leave line. The word notice
in capital.
in capital. Here corresponding to it, write down date, then leave line, then
Heading or title.
Heading or title.
heading
in
or
capital letters.
very good, heading or title
In
in
capital.
capital
In
letters.
capital letters.
Underline it, then
Name of the event. Name of the organization.
name of the event, who is organized by, or who is organizer or organized by. Okay, then
Date, time, venue.
reason also why it is going to be organized. Then
Ma'am,
details.
Ma'am,
time,
objective,
venue.
purpose, occasion.
Very good. Objective, purpose or occasion. Very good. Objective, purpose or occasion. Why it is going to be organized. Then the details are as
Special instructions.
follow.
Time, venue.
Date,
Time
time,
and venue.
Venue.
venue. Then
Special instructions.
special instructions.
Activities are to be taken. For more information,
For
contact
further
the
information,
Yes,
Contact
last one
under
should
signed.
be for further information, contact under signed.
sign.
Then name in capital letters,
Signature.
then name in
and then
running,
running name.
and then here bracket
Designation.
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 Suppose you have to write down a notice for, suppose you're going to write down for flower making competition, artificial flower making competition. You have to write down. How you will write down? First of all, name of this you can say institution. Komisan
Samsandas Public School,
Jalandhar.
Jalandhar.
Notice,
Yes.
date,
13 May.
heading, flower making competition.
Competition.
Okay, flower making competition. So who is organizing? Suppose, okay, suppose it is going to be organized on, you can say on
Craft department.
by art and craft department during Independence Day. Okay, so art and craft department of the school is organizing artificial flower making competition on the eve of Independence Day in order to develop the various skills of decoration among the schools, among the students. So the details are as under date, time, venue, art and craft room, special
The
instruction.
students must bring their own material.
Okay, then
Ma'am, those who were interested in participating in the celebration can give their names
To the
to
in
the
charge.
teacher.
to their teacher, right? But before in special instructions, only one point we will write down, that students will bring their own material. They can report to art and
ma'am.
craft room 5 minutes before the starting of the competition. Okay, to confirm their names. Okay, to confirm their names and seats. This you can also write down. Then you can also write down students can use different kinds of papers as well as various kinds of decorative material too. Okay, special and the
Ma'am,
class
ma'am,
can
they
also,
were also, ma'am, they were also use painting colors also.
they can also use painting and poster colors, and moreover they can also display their artificial flowers in the form of arrangement, flower arrangement. Okay, in the form of flower arrangement also they can display.
मैम लास्ट लाइन ये आ सकती है
क्या?
मैम मैम good decoration will be certificated on the stage by
Will
principal.
be appreciated.
Will be 1 minute. You can write down creativity and innovative ideas will be highly appreciated. Creativity and innovative ideas
Innovative ideas
will be
appreciated.
highly appreciated. The winners will be given what? The winners will be
Prizes.
awarded certificates in the morning assembly. The winners will be awarded certificates in the morning assembly. Right? So these, it means for special instructions, you have to write down 3-4 different kind of instructions, okay, in order to make it clear. Right?
Yes,
Understood?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And then afterward, your name in running, name in capital, and name in designation. Suppose if I will discuss that there is a sports meet in your school, sports day celebration. We have done earlier sports day celebration.
Yes, ma'am. To hold the meeting.
To held the meeting, but we haven't celebrated. What kind of event
Yes, ma'am.
will be there? Hai na? Chalo, let us start. So first of all, sports club of your school is organizing sports day. Okay, so the students will participate in different type of competitions. Earlier we have done only for meeting. Okay, meeting one we have
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
So now some celebration. So name of the institution, speak out.
Swami Chandas Public School, Jalandhar.
And then
Notice.
city. Okay, next afterwards.
Notice.
Sports Day celebration.
Ma'am, notice.
Then
Ma'am,
Capital
notice.
letter.
It will be notice, date, and then heading and title.
Sports Day celebration.
Yes, it will be sports day celebration. Some
This is to
students will
inform
say they have
all the
written
students
celebration, celebration.
that our school sports club.
What are you saying, Krishna?
Ma'am, this is to inform all the students that in our school sports club
Don't use
is
I,
organizing
we, are.
sports
Don't use
celebration.
these pronouns. These are less used. I, we, and are not at all used. Okay? Avoid these. So writing this is to inform, you can simply write down a sports day celebration is going to be held. This is the new way of writing the notice. Right? Write down in this manner. Now speak again. Speak again.
Sports Day celebration is going to be organized by
Sports
Sports
day
Department.
celebration.
Okay, going to be organized in the school. Okay, during
There will be various activities.
right, there will be various activities. Okay, for classes, for all the classes of for all the students of all the classes. It means that sports day
Ma'am,
celebration
ma'am,
is
it is
for all the students.
Ma'am, it is celebrated during Independence Day.
Okay, write whatever you want to write down. Then details are as follows. Mention date, time, date, for example, it will be held on 2 days, for Saturday and Sunday. Mention. Okay, mention the dates. For example, it is on 27 and 28 of May. Time 9 to 3 p.m.
9 to 10.
9 to 3 full day celebration it is there. Okay, 9 to 3 p.m. both the days. Mention. Then venue, school playground.
School playground.
What will be the special instructions?
The students must reach on the time.
Students will be provided uniform as well.
Okay, they will be provided special, you can say, track pants by the school. Okay, or
School.
students should come in white uniform with their sports shoes only. Okay, and practice for
They
this.
must bring their lunch box and water bottles with them.
Students will be bringing
Lunch box
Excuse
and
me, ma'am.
refreshments.
then what kind of games you can
There
mention?
was also practice session before the.
Okay, there will be a practice test session starting from Monday onwards, right? And then afterwards, you can also mention about that what kind of different games to be held. There will,
Like basketball, football.
there will be different matches of basketball, badminton, table
Ma'am,
tennis,
table tennis.
and
Various races.
Okay, special drills for the girls, gymnastics. Okay, so interested students can submit their names specifically mentioning the activity they are going to participate. Okay, they will tell the name na, to the teacher, ma'am, I want to participate in gymnastic, with the name of the activity also. And then
Yes, ma'am.
afterwards, for further information,
Contact the undersigned.
contact undersigned. But here in this case, sports day, we won't write down creativity and innovative ideas. This line won't be included. Okay, creativity, this one won't be included. Okay, so then ultimately your name, then name in running hand, and then afterwards designation. So clear this is?
Ma'am, the winners will given prizes at morning assembly.
The winners will also get trophies. Okay, trophies and medals. This is but obvious on the sports day they will get.
Yes.
Okay, so now this is all for notice writing, and I hope that you will write it very well. Clear? So next
Yes,
afterwards we are going to revise paragraph writing. So first of all, the heading or the title of the paragraph. Don't write in paper paragraph on. No, right? What you will write down? You will write down the name. For example, suppose we are going to discuss the importance of hard work.
Ma'am, winter holidays.
Winter holidays you want to discuss?
Importance of hard work.
No, ma'am, it is only heading or title example.
Okay, yes. For example, if I'm saying importance of hard work, then it will be, you can write down also in capital letters. Okay, in capital letters it can also be written. Underline it. Then first line is our topic sentence. How you will write down? Speak out now.
Ma'am, the paragraph must deal with one main idea.
Yes, this I was telling you. Topic sentence means only one idea, that is hard work we will discuss. Okay. Then we will develop the topic and then we will conclude in one paragraph. So these are the three main points you will include in your paragraph writing. For example, hard work. Success is not a dream if one is capable of doing hard work. Hard work can make a person equipped with skills of success, as well as a person who is having the quality of hard work can never fail in his life. Then you will mention about importance of hard work. What you will write down, why it is important?
Ma'am,
It is important to
ma'am, it
achieve
is important because hard work beats our talent.
It beats our talent. Very good. Hard work beats our talent. Then, yes, who else will speak?
By working hard, we can have a huge achievement.
We can have huge achievements in our life. It is only means to every problem, every obstacle, and every hurdle in our life, there is just one solution, and that solution is what? That solution is only hard work and hard work. Okay, there is no alternative to hard work. It is only the hard work which we put in our
We should always know importance of hard work in our life.
Okay, we must know, or we should always know the importance of hard work in our life, as there is no alternative to hard work, and we must work hard day in and day night. We must burn midnight oil. Okay, we burn midnight oil in order to achieve success. What is the meaning of burn midnight oil?
Yes, ma'am.
Work hard.
To work hard. Okay, if hard work is not, you can say, important for a student life, but in every person's life. So if a person is working in an office or in a company, his hard work will lead the company to greater heights. Okay, and he will also attain, you can say, success, as well as the person will also achieve greater, you can say, perks in the salary. Moreover, in the student life, hard work is of great importance. Like every year for exams, if a person is doing hard work or a student is doing hard work, the concepts can be made clearer, and moreover, the student will achieve what the student will do. The student will achieve good marks, and these good marks will take the person towards his career, and finally the person achieves success in the life. So ultimately, hard work is a ladder to success. Okay, ladder to success. So finally conclude your paragraph. How you will
Yes, ma'am.
conclude? So it
Hard
is,
work shall never
By working hard, we can have a great sense of knowledge.
we will have great knowledge, not sense of knowledge. We will have great knowledge. There is no alternative to hard work, and now it is wise, or it will be a wise decision on one's part to do the hard work, because hard work is the only key to success. Okay, and there is no doubt in it. So in this manner, your paragraph writing is complete, and I hope that everything is clear to you, right? So okay, so in
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next class we will have the rest of the revision.